Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to format an SD card on the Nikon Z30. First, I'll insert the SD card. To do it, let's flip the camera over, find the battery pack, open the door by pulling this lock. Now, insert the SD card according to the orientation marked on the image, which means the pins are going to be facing the lens. Insert it until it clicks, like so. Close it. Now let's turn the camera on, and you may want to format it for mostly two reasons. Either if the camera displays an error that it can't use the SD card, or if you have your SD card full, if it's full and you want to just get rid of everything on it and you have it backed up safely, like everything that you need is backed up already, then yeah. So let's click on the menu now, and to do it, you should on the left side panel, you should go to the setup menu, then click on it and click on OK to format memory card. Go up, click on OK, and now it's formatting. So now everything is deleted and your memory card should be working on the camera. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.